Hey guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. As you can see, my software is giving me a buy signal. Okay, it's just giving me an alert. I'm gonna use 14. Okay, taking my buy. Let me set my take profit very quickly. I have to do all this very fast. I have to increase my lot size. I'm gonna start increasing it more and more often now. And yeah, we started this account with $250. Okay, let me just set a little alarm. And yeah, if you look at this account, we started with $250 deposits. You were all here when we started with this account. Look at all this profits we've made. So far, we've made over $10,000 in withdrawal. I'm trying to make another withdrawal. We've made in total over $54,000 in profits, trying to get to that over $60,000 in profits mark. And then we'll make another withdrawal in the market. Let's see how this plays out. We keep on making more and more profits till we get to a point where we make our withdrawal. If you want to copy my trade, sign up with Mega Markets, link in the description below. Make sure you have at least $350 to $500 in your account to be able to copy my trades. And if you want to test my software for 2 weeks, sign up with Mega Markets too. Link in the description below. Make sure you have at least $150 in your account. Send me proof of that. Same with the copy trades on WhatsApp and Telegram. And yeah, you have to have money in your account so that I know that you're not just taking my software to play around. I'm looking for serious people who are ready to start trading and start making money. And yeah, let me know that you are serious about testing my software and you take some trades and eventually get the course. If you want to buy the course and join me taking live scalp trades like this, live swing trades, live hedging, go to hedgingmastermind.com. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bells for more videos like this. And make sure to make a comment for the algorithm. And yeah, we'll see how this plays out. I'm trying to wait to see if it hits take profit soon. But we'll be right back when we're into more profits in the market. All right, guys, we're getting closer and closer to hitting our take profit hits. There you go. There you go. $255 in less than 5 minutes scalping. That is how scalping should be done, very fast, very quick. And if it went down, we'll hedge it. Okay, this is what we teach in the course. Okay, hedging instead of using stop loss. Hedge funds do not use stop loss. The big boys who are trading hundreds of millions, billions do not use stop loss. A simple Google search will verify what I'm saying. And yeah, this is how you can grow your account fast. People who use hedging, okay, make 50% more in compounding, minimum 50% more in compounding than people using stop loss. That means if someone makes $100 profits in a month or $100,000 profits in a month using stop loss, someone hedging probably made at least $100,000 more, or $150,000 or $200,000 more, which is what I teach live with my students at hedgingmastermind.com. Like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you join the free Telegram group, link in the description below. And yeah, we'll be right back once we have another trade in the market soon.